Do you want planning and development information at your fingertips? Let's take a look at the Logan PD Hub. You can find a property by address or using the map search and then use any of the free tools. The interactive mapping is a great starting point. There are layers you can turn on, such as aerial photos, contours, and planning scheme maps. The property report provides property details such as area and a summary of the planning scheme requirements with a zone map. The flood level report is handy if you are thinking about a site that might be flood affected. It shows the extent and level of flooding. Our estimator tools are a quick guide to some of the costs associated with development, such as application fees, infrastructure contributions, and environmental offsets for tree clearing. The development inquiry tool can help you find out what's happening in your area. It gives free access to planning, building, and plumbing application details and documents. The Planning Inquiry tool helps you find a property for your proposed activity, or if you already have a property in mind, it helps you work out what can be done with it. It even tells you some of the key requirements of the planning scheme. The Logan Planning Scheme online viewer makes using the scheme easy with pop-up definitions, search, print, and map features. Click on Economic Development to access our Economic and Community Profile and City Pulse, where you'll find useful stats and reports about growth and development in Logan. Remember, for planning and development information at your fingertips, visit the Logan PD Hub.